Alam mo, sa Web3, may sinasabi na secure your profits but always leave room for Moonbag. And for today's video, iyan yung tuturo ko sa inyo. Kasi alam mo, I was ready to dump my XPL. Pero ano nga ba ang Moonbag strategy at bakit recommended ko ito lalong-lalo na for beginners? Okay, simple lang ang Moonbag strategy. You take profits that you are happy with and mag-leave ka lang ng little to slow amount just in case it moons. And when it moons, ibig sabihin kapag tumaas yung presyo. Alam mo naman kasi, ang kalaban ng mga traders ay FOMO. And this helps you lock in with your gains and profit, yet you stay exposed to long-term upside. It's how ETH holders rode from $10 to $1,000 by leaving just a little behind. Kasi imagine how bad it would feel if hindi ka nag-iwan ng just a few little Ethereum nung pumasok ka nung $10 yon. Ano nung presyo ng Ethereum ngayon? Almost $4,000 USD. And alam mo right now, XPL is the type of play where moonbagging makes sense. Pero why XPL and why Plasma? Kasi hindi lang ito basta token drop. They actually launched products since day one. Drop sila ng Plasma 1, which is a crypto card and the fiat ramp. Tapos meron agad 15k signups kahit launch pa lang. And if you want to talk about fundamentals, kanina pinag-usapan natin yung Ethereum. For XPL, ganito naman ang nangyari. Launch siya at $4. Ngayon nagko-consolidate siya at around $1.09. If you want to go technical about it, for Moonbag strategy, that is a possible base forming. Sure, you can take profit during launch, pero you'll never know. And of course, para ma-address nga natin yung FOMO na usually sakit ng mga traders at holders, it's always best to leave a little Moonbag there. Kaya ako personally, I'm still not cashing in. I believe in this personally, and I think it can work out. Because that is the part people miss. The strongest narratives don't just pump out all at once. They build and then nagbe-break out. And you know, I've been talking about this for so long already. Stock mo pa ako. And that is why I'm leaving my Moonbag personally. Because if this hits 10 billion USD like the others who have done before it, then okay ako that I won already in the launch. And I believe in this project. And if it happens, I will also win in the long run as well. Again, moonbagging isn't speculation. This is strategy and best how to avoid FOMO. And for me, XPL is a right use case for this because I believe in the project, I believe in the use case, and I think they can really transform the future of stablecoins. If you want to learn more about this, sign up at www.plasmafia.com or link in my bio to learn more.